Guys, so today I'm gonna walk you through how I made this beat. Okay, very simple. If you know what to do, hit the subscribe button, then also turn on the notification bell, like the video, leave a comment and subscribe. And I'm gonna show you how you can make your beat more interesting. Okay, in terms of your melodies, what you can do. Very simple. So let's do this right after the intro. Yo, the name is God Science. Once again, still the solution career, providing solutions to your problems. Hit the subscribe button if you are new to this channel. Turn on the notification bell, like the video, leave a comment and subscribe. Alright guys, we are in our first video now. I started with a tempo of 110. Okay, so guys, we're gonna walk through this beat. Okay, so the first thing I started with was this. Let's listen. Remember, everything is, the beat is not mixed. Okay, I'm gonna turn on the metronome. If I zoom in, you can see some of the notes are not on time. Okay, just to give it more groove. Okay, so sometimes you drag some of them back. Okay, you change to none, they move around to give it that swing. Okay, so guys, the next thing I added was this. Let me solo it. Was this. Let me off the metronome. Alright, so guys, let's combine. Okay guys, then I brought in this. Alright, so I'm gonna add it. Alright guys, so I copy the same thing and I clone hypersonic. Okay, just change the tone. Let's listen to this one. Okay, so what I was doing, that I just wanted to layer the first melody. Okay, just to support it more. So let's add everything. Alright guys, so the next thing I brought in was the chord progression. Very simple. So let's listen. Very simple. Remember, I've not mixed the beat, so I'm gonna add them. Alright guys, let's move on. So I brought in this melody. Just keep everything simple guys. Alright, and I copy the same thing, paste them here. Very simple. So I'm gonna add them. Okay guys, so after that I was okay, totally okay, just wanted to add simple melodies, so I brought in this. Okay, so I'm gonna add it. Guys, subscribe to the channel if you are new here. Let's listen. Okay, so right after that I brought in this. Very simple guys, so let's add that. Alright guys, so let's add that. Okay, I was creating something, I wanted to get something that people would dance to. Okay, that would make people dance a lot. Okay, that's why I added more melodies. Okay, but on the safer side, just make your melody simple. Okay, don't add too much. For whatever beat that you are making, just make it simple depending on the groove. Okay, this one I wanted people to dance to it. Okay, that's why I added so much melodies. So I copied the same thing and pasted it here. And the reason why sometimes I copy some of the melodies and paste it and change the instrument is that when it gets to a certain point, I will change the instrument, okay, so that it will not make the beat boring. Okay, so I will show you that. So guys, let's listen to the whole melody. Alright, so guys, right from there I brought in the kick. Let's listen to the kick. Okay, normal afrobeat groove. Very simple. Then I brought in this snare, so I'm gonna add that one. Then I copy the snare and paste it here, layer it with this one. Okay, so let's listen. Alright guys, then I play this. Okay, let's add that. Okay guys, so that was all for the drums. Then I gave it about 18% swings here. Alright guys, so let's listen to everything. Okay, so guys, right from there I brought in some shaker loops. Okay, let's listen. Okay, so guys, let's listen to the shaker loop alone. Okay, then I brought in this transition. This is a simple arrangement. Okay. Okay, so guys, let's listen to everything. This is just a simple arrangement. Alright guys, so this is how I made this beat. If you found it to be helpful, give it a like, subscribe to the channel if you are new here. The name is Gosta, still the solution carrier. See you in the next video. Stay blessed.